Keller is a leading provider of machines and consumables for various industrial printing processes. We provide industrial printing solutions that include several different technologies: screen printing, pad printing, hot stamping, thermal transfer, and many more. Our product and solutions cater to a diverse set of industries, including home appliance, automotive, cosmetic, glass industry, construction glass, consumer electronic, medical sector, or promotional gifts. Our solutions are designed to meet these crucial needs of our customers who value customization, reliability, overall production cost efficiency, flexibility, and swift transition times between different setups. The machine addresses several key challenges. It was a development project of new type of modular machine system. So we were looking for a competent partner that would be able to provide deep knowledge, experience, technological support, and hardware components of the system.
The machine's current productivity is 3,000 units per hour. We are planning to achieve level of 3,600 units per hour. The uniqueness of this machine lies in its reconfigurability. The machine consists of 3 modules. Thanks to the design and the capabilities of the CC-Link IE TSN network, the number of modules can be changed. They can also be swapped. In the initial stage, the component undergoes the flame activation process, which prepares the surface for printing. The component is printed with the first color. After printing, the ink is dried using the UV LED lamp. With the second color, the component is precisely positioned. The final station carries out decoration using the hot stamping technology. The chosen protocol needed to have capability to synchronize up to 128 servo drives. We made the decision to utilize the then new MRJ5 series, controlled by the RD78GHV module, which uses the CC-Link IE TSN protocol. The implementation of time-sensitive networking technology provided us with the capability to simultaneously support multiple protocols and prioritize them within a single network. Thanks to the network convergence capability that TSN offers, we will be able to connect additional vision sensors in the future. This will allow us to easily expand the system in the future.
Mitsubishi Electric has been collaborating with Keller since 2012, supporting them in the control system, motion system, robotics, and industrial networks. Our primary focus in this particular project was to assist the customer in the selection of optimal component parts, additionally providing the crucial technical and application support to expedite the development of highly advanced machine. One of the key factors is that it has to have the top performance and also has to be flexible in terms of network design. And thanks to the CC-Link IE TSN, we was able to achieve that, because by utilizing the time-sensitive networking with time synchronization feature, all of the servo amplifiers can work in synchronous mode within the microseconds of scan time. And this was very important for the customer. And the plan from the Keller side was to also to expand the functionality in the future of the machine. And thanks to the high bandwidth and also the convergence of the different networks, they will be able to utilize the latest technology, which is a TSN, time-sensitive networking in the machine, but also it will be able to handle different type of networks if they want to expand the system or even do even more modularity of the machine. They are capable of doing that. Thanks to the network structure and the flexibility of the network design, they will be able to do such thing.
The reason why we're really excited about what Keller's doing here is because they are a good example of some of the companies in Europe who have seen the benefits of CC-Link IE TSN So what that means is that it allows Keller to use the converged network architecture in their machines. In practical terms, is that it allows them to combine multiple types of network traffic on one network. And it's very important that this has a very highly deterministic network technology available to make sure that all the different motion control tasks are all very tightly synchronized. There's also some inverters being controlled here to control other tasks on the machine. We saw TSN really start to get established in the Asian market in the beginning, but now it's spreading worldwide. What Keller's been able to do by incorporating time-sensitive networking and gigabit Ethernet in their machines is it offers them a very powerful machine solution that can easily address the demands of their customers.